Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Frito pie with canned chili. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need one large bag of classic Frito corn chips, about 9 ounces, to form the delicious base. Next, grab two 15-ounce cans of your preferred chili, ensuring it's hearty and flavorful. Don't forget 1 cup of freshly shredded cheddar cheese and about 1/2 cup of finely chopped white onion for that perfect crunch and zest. Now let's get to the fun part, assembly. Take your large bag of Frito corn chips and carefully open it along one of the long sides. This creates a perfect, ready-made bowl. Gently push the chips down to form a relatively flat and even layer at the bottom. This step is crucial for ensuring every bite gets a good mix of chips and chili. It's a super simple and classic way to enjoy this comforting dish. With your Frito base ready, it's time for the star of the show, the chili. Make sure your two 15-ounce cans of chili are heated through, nice and warm. Carefully pour the hot chili directly over the chips, ensuring good coverage. Then, generously sprinkle about 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese over the chili. Finally, add your 1/2 cup of fresh, chopped white onion for a delightful bite and extra flavor. And there you have it, your perfect Frito pie. Serve it immediately while everything is still wonderfully warm and the cheese is perfectly melted. You can offer extra toppings like sliced jalapenos, a dollop of sour cream, or even a dash of hot sauce for those who like a little extra kick. Grab a fork or spoon, mix it all up, and savor every delicious, comforting bite. Enjoy this classic, easy-to-make meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.